crazy looking storms coming here in Charlotte. Look through the trees above the houses here. Golly, look at that. It is dark blue, looking black out there. Oh my gosh. We're about to get pounded with some rain, it looks like here, folks. Pretty strong little stormer brewing here in the west. Got some clouds doing things I hadn't seen in a while, curving up on the edges. Not sure what it's called, but I know it's not a good sign. Dang, it's dark looking down there. In the houses, possibly some tornadic activity. The wind's blowing pretty good. You can see a flag flying on that car. But man, check that out. Between all the houses, it is some major activity coming on here in Charlotte. Look at these clouds. Crazy looking.